In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a photo on Threads from your iPhone. Let's walk through the entire process from start to finish so you can share a photo quickly and confidently. First, open the Threads app on your iPhone. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure you're running the latest version so everything looks and works as expected. Once the app opens, you'll land on your home feed. Next, look toward the bottom center of your screen for the Create button. It's the square icon with a small pencil inside. Tap that to open the Post Composer. You'll see the What's New field where you can write your message, along with a few icons just beneath the text area. To add your photo, tap the photo icon located below the text field. If this is your first time adding a picture, your iPhone may ask for permission to access your photos. Go ahead and allow access so Threads can display your camera roll. If you don't see your recent shots right away, you can switch albums or browse your library to find the image you want. Now tap the image you'd like to share. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, indicating it's selected. If you change your mind, simply tap a different photo to switch your selection. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one and that it looks the way you expect. When you're ready, confirm your choice by tapping the check button in the top right corner of the screen. This brings you back to the Composer with your selected photo attached to the post. You'll see a small preview of the image so you can verify it's the correct file before publishing. If you want, type a message in the What's New field to add context to your photo. A short caption can help your followers understand what they're seeing. Maybe where you are, why the moment matters, or any quick details you want to highlight. Keep it concise but clear, and feel free to add emojis or mentions if that suits your style. Finally, when everything looks good, tap Post at the right side of the screen. Your photo will upload, and in a moment it should appear in your feed and be visible to your followers. If your connection is a bit slow, give it a few extra seconds to finish publishing. That's all there is to it. Open Threads, tap Create, choose your photo, add a caption if you like, and post. You're ready to share your moments with the world.